Welcome back to my channel, you all. Today I'm going to be using my Christen Beauty oil to protect my hair because we're going to be using a lot of hair product. Just apply it all the way to the length of your hair and brush it smooth. Next, you're going to part your hair down the middle. Now we're going to take this OA pomade and slick it back. I want a very slick and tight ponytail for this square fishtail braid. Now gather all your hair up and brush it smooth once more. Now I'm going to show you how to get a really tight ponytail with a ponyo. These are my favorite way to wear a ponytail because they don't pull in your hair, they don't give you a headache throughout the day. They're amazing. So what you want to do is make sure you have the right size of ponyo for your hair. I like the long and skinny one. Now push it flat against your head and start pulling the hairs as tight as you can on the bottom. That way it'll be as tight to your head as it can be. Now take one end after and hold it tight against your head while you're doing this, and just bend it under to the middle and then do the same thing on the other side. Now you can just add this beautiful cover that goes with the ponyo to the ponyo, and it adds a beautiful effect. Add some wax spray, and now you're going to part your ponytail into two pieces. Take a small piece on the left side, split it into two, and put one part of the small piece under and then one part of it over, and then join it to the left side. Now take a little piece from your right side, add some wax spray, split it into two pieces, and then join it together on the left side. Same thing on the left side again, I'm sorry. Split it into two, join it together on the right side. On the right side, take a little piece, split it into two, and then join it together on the left side. The thing with these a little bit harder braids is it's easy to remember how to do it if you just memorize the pattern, because every braid has a pattern and it just continues and continues the same pattern all the way down. So if you memorize that pattern, then you've got it and you can do it on yourself. Another thing to remember is just keep the braid tight. And to do that, just make sure that your hands don't slide down your hair at all. Just make sure they're very close to where your braid is. And you just want to keep that pattern going all the way down. Just remember, take a little piece on one side, split it into two, join it to the other side. Then on the opposite side, take a small piece, split it into two, and then join it together on the opposite side. And that is literally all there is to this. And it turns into this beautiful, beautiful 3D fishtail braid. I love it so, so much. Another way you could say it is a square fishtail braid. And so anyway, just keep that pattern going all the way down your braid. And while we're braiding, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Just hit the red button and you will be subscribed. And also thumbs up if you love this video, and thumbs down if you don't like this video. our finishing touch, we're going to add this beautiful dry oil spray. It just helps take down frizz and it gives a beautiful sheen to your hair. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and hope you try it out. If you do, please tag me on Instagram, Elizabeth Yates Hair, and come follow me there. I'll leave a link down below if you want to see more tutorials. And I will see you all next Friday for a tutorial here on YouTube. I love you guys so much. Bye.